Welcome to this tutorial on how to troubleshoot Zelle free service. Zelle is a popular peer-to-peer payment service that allows users to send and receive money directly from their bank accounts. However, like any other service, Zelle can sometimes experience issues. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to troubleshoot common problems with Zelle. First, let's start with some basic troubleshooting steps. If you are having trouble with Zelle, check if the service is down by visiting the Zelle website or social media pages. You can also try restarting the Zelle app or checking for any updates. If the issue persists, check your bank account to ensure that it is linked correctly to Zelle. Make sure that your account is eligible for Zelle and that you have sufficient funds to send or receive money. You can also try removing and re-adding your bank account to Zelle to resolve any connectivity issues. Another common issue with Zelle is payment delays or failures. If your payment is delayed or failed, check the Zelle app for any error messages or notifications. You can also try contacting the recipient to confirm if they have received the payment. If the issue is with the recipient's bank, you can try resending the payment or contacting Zelle support for assistance. In addition to these steps, it's also important to ensure that your Zelle app is up to date and that you are using the correct login credentials. You can also try clearing the app's cache or data to resolve any technical issues. To prevent issues with Zelle, make sure to only send money to people you know and trust. You should also be cautious of phishing scams or fake emails that may ask you to provide sensitive information. Always verify the recipient's information before sending money and use two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security. In conclusion, troubleshooting Zelle free service is relatively straightforward. By following these steps and taking preventative measures, you can resolve common issues and ensure a smooth payment experience. Remember to always check the Zelle website or app for any updates or notifications and contact Zelle support if you need further assistance.